Seperti burung camar yang terbang bebas di langit. Seperti.
A preposition meaning, like, or, as. Pronounced.
Suh-per-tee.
With the
Purr.
sounding similar to the English, purr, and the t, as in, tea. It introduces a comparison, illustrating a similarity between two things. Here, it compares the subject to a seagull's flight.
Burung.
Means, bird. Pronounced.
Burung.
With a short
O
sound like in, book, and a soft ng sound at the end, similar to the ng in, sing. A common noun referring to avian creatures.
camar.
Means, seagull. Pronounced.
Camar.
With the
Ja.
as in, chat, and a short ma, like in, market. A specific type of bird, known for its graceful flight.
Yang.
A relative pronoun meaning, that, or, which. Pronounced.
Yang.
Similar to the English word, young, but without the y sound at the beginning. It connects the noun
Burung camar.
to the following clause, describing its action.
Terbang.
Means, to fly. Pronounced.
Terbang.
With a clear separation between the syllables. The
L.
sounds like air, and bang is a hard, short sound. It's a verb describing the action of the seagull.
Bebas.
Means, free, or unconstrained. Pronounced.
Bebas.
Similar to bebas, with a soft a sound. An adjective describing the manner of the seagull's flight.
Di.
A preposition meaning, in, or, on, indicating location. Pronounced.
Di.
Similar to the English, di, as in, deer. Here it specifies the location of the flight.
Langit.
Means, sky, or, heaven. Pronounced.
Langit.
With the
Lang.
as in, language, and a short, it, sound. A noun representing the location where the seagull flies. Putting it together.
Seperti burung camar yang terbang bebas di langit.
Means, like a seagull that flies freely in the sky. It's a figurative expression often used to describe something or someone that is free and unburdened.